G'day everyone, it's Ian here from RFI. Last week we spoke about the antennas on my car and we had a look around and we spoke about UHF CB antennas and our mobile phone antenna. This week we're going to go and have a look inside my Navara, and more specifically we're going to talk about the Bury mobile phone car kit. So let's go and have a look. Okay, here we are inside my Navara, and so let's have a quick look around and see what we've got here. First of all, a Simoco 80 channel UHF CB radio, which is actually connected to a magnetic mic, and we'll talk more about that in another video. ICOM IC440 40 channel UHF CB radio, tablet up here for navigation, and the extender wireless microphone. Again, we'll do another video on the extender product at a later stage. But today I want to focus on the Bury mobile phone car kit. Here's the Bury car kit up here. I've got mounted in it my Galaxy S5, and I'm just going to take it out and just show you how it comes out. So I'm just taking it out of the cradle. Just put it down there. So that's the universal cradle. I just want to show you the interesting thing about the Bury system is the cradle comes out. That's the Bury base plate. And I'm now going to go and put an iPhone cradle in and just show you how easily that goes in. There's the iPhone cradle, and an iPhone 6 connects into it. There's your iPhone 6. So there's the Bury with an iPhone cradle or a custom cradle. So they do a range of custom cradles for different phones, or the universal. Obviously the advantages are we're securing the phone in the vehicle, from a legal standpoint, and it's important while four-wheel driving we don't want phones flying around in the vehicle. Secondly is we're charging the phone while we're driving, so if you're using it for a navigation device it's always going to be fully charged. And third and most important, it's connected to an RFI antenna, and we're going to talk about the CDQ 7195 in another video. Our next video is going to be, we're going to actually interview someone. We're going to go and talk to Ben Fox from Action Communications, and we're just going to have a chat to him and just find out why he likes RFI antennas. So until next time, see you later.